Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to make a Christmas video like this and how to make a product promotional video quickly in Filmora 14. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming video. In our fast-paced world, time is precious and creating professional product video can be a challenging, but with the right tools you can efficiently showcase your products and capture your audience attention. And Filmora offers tons of templates to create eye-catching videos. First, let's create a professional looking Christmas video. Click on the Templates tab, then go to the Templates folder, and here you will get tons of ready to use templates. Then go to the Christmas folder for newly added templates. Place the template of your choice onto the timeline. It will show you how many images or video you can place. Click on it. You will see the placement files. In total, we have 5 placements. Click on the first one, then select the image or video and click on Open. And it will place the video or image automatically in the right place. Similarly, add further videos or pictures. And you will get this cool Christmas slideshow. If you want to edit an image or video, click on that particular video or image and a new screen will pop up. On this, you can adjust the aspect ratio for your video or image. Once done, click on OK. Further, if you want to replace the effects or you want to place a certain effect, click on Expand and you will get all the files on your timeline. Now you can easily modify it in your own style or you can change the background music. Now let's see the preview. Now let's create a professional looking promo short or reel. Go to the templates and in search bar type marketing and it will show you marketing related templates. Place the one you like on your timeline, then click on the button and place the product image or video one by one. Now when we see the preview, this image does not fit perfectly in the area. Click on the image and then from the ratio select 9:16 and do the same with rest of the images or videos. Now let's see the preview. Now if you want to change the text, click on Expand, then select that particular text and use the setting panel to change the text, font or font color. That easy and simple to create a professional looking video with templates in Filmora 14. Update or download the Filmora 14 from the link in the description and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next video.